This is an honest, short review for Doba Drop shipping. If you're familiar with Doba, use Doba, or know about Doba, I did the 15-day trial. I'm into about my 23rd or 24th day and finally had a sale through my eBay platform. I waited 3 or 4 days trying to find out what was going on, why the sale hadn't been processed through Doba. I went into Doba, chatted with an agent, and they told me that I have to manually process the sale in Doba in order to get the product sent out to the customer who had purchased it from me on eBay. So basically I had to go into Doba, I had to purchase the product and input all of the detail from the eBay sale in order to get Doba to send the product to the customer. That was 5 days ago. The product is still sitting there, hasn't sent out. Doba has not given me a tracking number to give to my eBay customer, so I'm going to get a defect for a late shipment. When I chatted with Doba customer service, they told me, yeah, we know, we're aware that this is an issue. We probably should put it in the training or in one of our video tutorials explaining that this is how you have to process your purchases. Every single purchase is not automated. None of it is automated. You have to do it all by hand. So if you have 50 items that sell in a day on eBay that you are cross-posting through Doba, you'll have to go into Doba for each and every one of those and process that yourself. You'll have to buy it with your credit card and then put in your customer's information to get them to send it out. And it says half a day to a day of handling time. That's not true either. I would expect to wait 5 or 6 days before you get a tracking number. To me, this is a huge miss. They should have explained this during the 15-day free trial for 99 cents before they made you pay for your first 3 months. And I'm paying $65 a month, so about $190 a month for 3 months. You can't get that money back. They make you use the entire 3 months. It's prepaid basically. You sign up for it, you have an hour to cancel it. You can't do it. So now I'm basically stuck with this next 3 months, and I have to keep an eye on every day, all the time, basically 24/7, to watch and make sure that nothing else sells, or if it does sell, that I get in there immediately and process it. Also, though, they don't sell to all of the United States. They don't sell to any of the protected territories. They don't sell to Guam, Puerto Rico, and there's a few other places, Hawaii, Alaska. So it's extremely limited to where you can ship items to as well. And then if you want to buy it for yourself, you have to put in your eBay store information, your Shopify store, whichever store you own or run. You have to put in that information in order to purchase an item from Doba. You can't just have it sent to your house. You have to put in your business contact information, and it's extremely cumbersome. It's not very easy. It's not very straightforward. There's a huge lack of information, and I believe they're doing this on purpose because it would dissuade a lot of people from actually signing up for a Doba membership. It's basically the same thing as going to Lowe's or Home Depot. You find an item on Home Depot, you copy down some of the information, you take some photos of it, and you post it on wherever, Amazon or eBay. As soon as that item sells, you have to go to Home Depot and make that purchase. It's basically the same thing with Doba. Doba does allow you to use their photos and some description. However, you're going to have to go in there and manually rewrite most of the description because it's not written in an English-speaking person's terms. It's written by some Chinese AI or something along those lines. So everything is going to need some prep work. You're going to have to go in and edit everything. So there's a lot of time that goes into each and every item you post to Doba. So just be aware, they're not sharing everything that they should be sharing. There is no standard operating procedure for it. It's basically as if you're going to go and basically drop ship from any other website, Target, Home Depot, Lowe's, anything like that. So just be